Jake, I think I'm taking first aid with you though.
Then the next morning.
So you and me can only just have one radio. But you run like 9.
Hi, Mom!
You eat 3 big meals a day?
No, only when I go out to eat, which is like once a week.
Oh, you only go out to eat once a week?
Yeah.
Even in the summer?
You want me one?
Do you have enough money for that? No. How?
You are.
You have a checking account? You have a card?
Yeah.
Jewels in the clockwork of time, perfect and pure, and happy to shine, even when the stars lie. There's still a million miles.
Ways. Do you want my open?
Doesn't look like the trail goes
I don't
left.
see a
though.
trail that goes left.
Chad, do you want these?
Why don't you get the compass out and orient the map and make sure that...
I gave it to you.
I almost smell like Winston.
Alright.
Doesn't it smell like who?
Still a million miles, and all the concrete is down, laid under the feet of my town. When wheels on buses go round and round, when all the concrete is down, and I'm a million miles away, still a million miles. Oh, 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 oh. I feel the soil that suffocates me, still a million miles. Even as trees in the snow remember the leaves and let go, perfect and tall and ready to go, even for trees in the snow. The spring still feels like miles away, still a million miles. Oh, 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 oh. You're still a million miles away, still a million miles. Oh, 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 oh.
It went all the way to the top and then back down.
What's up?
How is that worth it?
Home cooked meal.
It's a cheesy biscuit.
I love it when you fell on the thing.
Shut up.
That was funny. I watched that. Hey, what were you guys doing up on the hill when you kept running?
What you did, why you did what you did?
Alright, so we went down there to get some toilet paper.
and we had to tell them their food was crappy, so we had to have a lot of toilet paper. And then they said if you run to the top of the hill, we can each get a half of a cheesy biscuit.
And 2 donuts.
No, they didn't say that. They said a half a biscuit. But then I said, add 2 donuts for each of us, and we'll have a deal. And they said, okay.
So you ran up?
It was
They
hard.
fell
Ran
on
up
the way.
that. They ran up that.
The hill that never ended. We thought it was a lot
Show the hill.
Mr. Tao, everyone's gonna have trouble